Hello, this is Joe from Live Automation. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of alarming in a Monitouch V10 HMI. These instructions also apply to the V9 and TechnoShot 4000 series. First, how to set up an alarm, and then how to present them to a user. Let us start by uploading an application. From here, we go to System Settings, and then Alarm Server. Click Add, and Complete to create a new alarm block. Let's start by changing the device address to an alarm code. In this case, it's 80E-B for any alarm fault. Next, we will want to modify the message block associated with this alarm. Click Edit here and copy and paste the text in the description. We can simply close in order to save and click Complete. Now, scroll to the far side until you see Parameter. Double-click this. Now, click Add. We will change this device to device address 0810, which is the alarm contents for the latest alarm. With the device address set, change the display type to message number. What we have done here is use the any fault bit from the VFD to trip the alarm, and then we use the parameter function to reference a separate integer on the VFD, and then we use that to call the alarm description from the message block on the HMI. Hit Complete and Complete to save your work. Now, let's place a alarm part down. Go to Parts, Alarm, and Alarm History. Now, I'm going to move some things around so everything can fit together. We will cover customizing the alarm parts in a future video. Now, double-click to open up Detail Settings, and then make sure that the contents, you can take group name out of this for now, and then ensure that the referenced alarm block number is the correct one. Click OK. Now let's transfer this down. This error comes from the fact that we have not assigned labels to the individual columns in the alarm block. Now, with VNC, you can see the HMI while I simulate an undervoltage error. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to see more content like this as it's released.